RBI rate cut, 5,000 rupees loan win. Hello, Indian youth. Welcome back. Big news. The RBI cut its repo rate by 25 basis points to 6% in April 2025, per money control, making loans cheaper. A 2024 Mint report says 40% of youth rely on personal loans for emergencies, often at high rates. Today, we'll show you how this rate cut can save you money on a 5,000 rupees loan, avoiding the pain of high interest and gaining the pleasure of financial relief. Press that like button, and let's win with your loan. The power of the RBI rate cut. The RBI's rate cut is a game changer, lowering borrowing costs and boosting your savings. A 25 basis point cut reduces EMIs on a 5,000 rupees personal loan, saving you hundreds over a year. A 2015 ICISI study shows lower interest rates increase disposable income by 31%. Redirecting savings to an SIP at 12% returns, per a 2023 report, can grow small amounts into thousands, ensuring the pleasure of a secure financial future. Why the rate cut matters for youth. High loan interest causes financial pain and delays wealth building. A 2021 Slice Nielsen report notes 70% of youth spend 2,500 rupees monthly on non-essentials, leaving little for loan repayments. In 2023, personal loan rates averaged 12%, per RBI data, but the April 2025 rate cut has banks like SBI and Bank of India slashing rates to 8.25% and 7.9%, per Financial Express. This cut eases EMI burdens, bringing the pleasure of faster debt repayment and more money for your goals. How to win with a 5,000 rupees loan. Here's how to leverage the RBI rate cut to save on a 5,000 rupees personal loan. Choose floating rate loans, opt for a repo-linked personal loan from banks like SBI, 8.25% rate, per NDTV profit, or Bank of India, 7.9%, per Upstocks. A 5,000 rupees loan at 8.25% for 1 year has an EMI of 439 rupees, saving 8 rupees monthly versus 12%, 447 rupees, per Financial Express. Total savings, 96 rupees yearly. Negotiate with lenders. Existing borrowers can request rate resets. A 2025 Times Now report suggests banks pass on rate cuts at reset cycles. Reducing a 5,000 rupees loan from 12% to 8.25% saves 96 rupees yearly, per loan calculators. Shorten loan tenure. Keep the same EMI, 447 rupees, to pay off the loan in 11 months instead of 12, saving 150 rupees in interest, per Economic Times. A 2025 Z Business report notes tenure reduction maximizes long-term savings. Total savings, 96 to 150 rupees on a 5,000 rupees loan. These steps avoid the pain of high EMIs and bring the pleasure of financial freedom. Making it automatic. Make loan savings automatic to secure your future effortlessly. Set up auto debit for the 439 rupees ME Viaduct apps like SBI YONO or Bank of India's portal. A 2023 FinTech report states 70% of borrowers avoid penalties with automation. Use money control to track 96 to 150 rupees in savings and redirect them to a savings account. This system ensures the pleasure of disciplined repayments without constant effort. Protecting your savings. Your 96 to 150 rupees loan savings are your foundation for financial security. Protect them diligently. A 2022 study shows 50% of youth spend small savings on non-essentials like dining. Keep savings in a separate account with no UPI access to resist temptation. This is your financial fortress, reserved for emergencies or SIPs, not impulse buys. Protecting it ensures the pleasure of a thriving future without the pain of regret. Keep going. Saving on your 5,000 rupees loan is your first step toward financial independence. Next, aim to save 500 rupees monthly by cutting non-essentials and invest in an SIP for 12 to 15% returns, per a 2023 report, building a 1 lakh rupees corpus in 10 years. A 2021 Slice Nielsen report says 70% of youth overspend, but you're crafting a life of pleasure through discipline. Share this with a friend with a loan, subscribe for more financial insights, and hit the bell icon. Comment, will you use the rate cut? Let's secure your future together. See you next time.